Hello world, hello YouTube, hello everybody. This video is for my own purposes because it's the first time I could actually do something like this and it actually make a difference. I'm going to make a video of this vehicle that I had just got. Thanks to my mother and my brother. I guess I'll talk less crap about them. And I'm going to video the sides, you know, for any damage, anything presently, right? So that way, any damage later, you know how you get out there, oh, look, somebody hit my car. Well, you don't even know, because you always get out to the driver's side. You know, you don't see the passenger side, what, once a month kind of thing. And then you look at it and you go, oh my God. And then, well, you don't know that. You don't know when it happened or what, so here we go. As you can see, this is pretty pristine. The hood sits square. No blemishes on the hood. Okay, the lid fits evenly. Got a ding dong right there. Otherwise, it's pretty good. There's another reason I'm making this video. Okay. Along here, there's two little minute chiplets in the windshield. Maybe I'll get into the inside and see. This door is almost pristine. You know, little dinky dinks like that. Right there. That looks like it's washable. What prompted me to do this is these. You can't see. Darn it. That one is that one that the neighbor just put on me today at the dollar store parking lot, and I think he did that one too. I don't think he did that one, I'm not sure, because there's rust in that scratch. And there's the thing there. Down here is pretty good. Nothing going on. Little ding dong there. Bug thing. Rest of it looks good. Okay, this and that right there. And I'll do it after ones too, because, you know, after I wash it. Crack here, which was there. Crack here, which was there. All that was there. Eddie Bauer, tow package, sport model, 2002 Ford Explorer. There's that. There's this little kind of a scrapely there. Looks like a Walmart kiss. Okay. Where we at? Yeah, so he came home just now. You know, I waved him to come over. He didn't come over. Really gotta fucking, you know, I'm too friendly. Just too friendly. Okay, a couple of blemishes there. A couple of scrapies there. Hood caps are good. This door, the normal wear on the handles, this and that. Okay. I think that's just dust. You know, I recommend everyone should do this to their car. That really hurt. Because that's the Toyota getting back at me. Okay, see, I mean, this thing's almost, it's 14 years old, and look at the shape it's in. Like they're your friend, and this, hey, how you doing, wave, you know. put a dick straight in your ass. You know, this is the nicest thing I've gotten in 30 plus years. 30 plus years. I take it down to the dollar store and somebody opens their door and bashes it with some big giant monster truck. And we'll go have a look at it. You know, he parks this truck way over the line next to mine. I almost could not get into my car. And there's his. He parks that thing next to me. Right? Opens the door. Puts a gash into mine. And blows me off like I'm some kind of yesterday's bubble gum. Alright, young man, that's fine. I mean, look at that. The nicest thing I've had since the Army, since in 30 years, 30 even more years, I've gotten something so nice. And that's as far as I'm going to go with that comment. I can't believe it. And like I'm nobody's business, just blows me off. Dude, sorry, man. Not a word. This is why I'm so bitter about humanity. Let's see here. Have a look at it. The interior from the rear. Oh, it's locked. Let me unlock it. Almost everything works. There's just a few. You got a little panel here, you know, this and that. The usual thing. That one's just got a crack in it. All the doors and buttons work. Nice tires. My brother spied this on the side of the road. Just some tire stains, you know, usual. But I mean, for 14 years old, this thing is happening. And the first place I go down and park, somebody bashes it. And it's my next door neighbor that did it. That's just some shit right there, boy. That is some shit. You know, and I'm sick of being a victim and being a nice person towards things. Because this is what I get out of it. And those neighbors are another story. I'll show you a little bit of the human condition. Breaks the bottles in my thing. That bottle over there was in my driveway here. Okay. I wonder why I want to go hood on them. So we'll just take it from there. People ask, well, okay, we'll see. You'll see how the dice falls. All right, go by your wits, not by your worries. Mama!